I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to reset your password on Gate.io, follow these simple steps to get back into your account quickly. Step 1. Go to the login page. Visit the Gate.io website and click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the login interface where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email. Fill in the email address associated with your Gate.io account in a provided field. Make sure it's the correct email, as this is where the reset link will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from Gate.io. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Remember, if you don't receive the email, it might take a few minutes, or you may need to check your email settings. I hope this guide helps you get back into your account smoothly.